Your home's front door is more than just an entryway, it's a statement piece. It's the first thing visitors notice and one of the last things they remember. For Smithtown homeowners, where neighborhoods blend traditional charm with modern flair, a stylish door installation can instantly transform the look of your home and boost its curb appeal. Whether you're updating a classic colonial, a contemporary residence, or a cozy ranch, the right door design can elevate your home's beauty while improving its comfort and efficiency. Here are some stylish door installation ideas that can help your Smithtown home stand out on the block. Embrace the beauty of modern glass doors. If your home has a contemporary feel, consider installing a modern glass entry door. Today's glass doors combine elegance with strength and privacy, thanks to advanced materials and design options. Frosted, tinted, or decorative glass inserts allow natural light to enter your home while maintaining security and privacy. You can also choose textured glass with intricate patterns or geometric shapes to give your entryway a unique visual appeal. Paired with sleek steel or fiberglass frames, glass doors add a clean, minimalist touch that instantly upgrades your home's exterior. They're especially stunning for homes with open front yards or landscaped walkways that lead the eye toward the entrance. Go bold with color. One of the easiest ways to refresh your home's look is with a bold, eye-catching front door color. While neutral tones like black, white, and gray remain timeless, vibrant hues can make your home stand out beautifully in Smithtown's tree-lined neighborhoods. Consider deep shades like navy blue, forest green, or burgundy for a sophisticated pop of color. If you want something more playful, mustard yellow or coral red can bring warmth and personality to your exterior. A professionally installed and painted door ensures the finish lasts, resisting peeling, fading, and weather damage even during New York's changing seasons. Classic wood doors for timeless elegance. For homeowners who appreciate traditional design, nothing compares to the warmth and beauty of a solid wood door. Materials like mahogany, oak, or walnut offer rich textures that never go out of style. You can enhance a wood door's natural appeal with decorative panels, arched tops, or wrought iron details that reflect Smithtown's mix of historic and modern architecture. Adding sidelights, narrow glass panels on either side of the door, creates a grand, welcoming effect that enhances both curb appeal and natural light inside your home. With professional installation and high-quality sealing, today's wood doors are more durable than ever, resisting warping and weather damage while maintaining their timeless charm. Statement hardware that elevates the look. Sometimes, the smallest details make the biggest impact. Upgrading your door hardware, including handles, locks, and hinges, can turn an ordinary door into a design feature. Choose from finishes like brushed nickel, oil-rubbed bronze, or matte black to complement your home's color palette. Add stylish touches such as a decorative knocker, address plate, or smart lock system for a modern edge. Professional installers can ensure that your hardware fits securely and functions flawlessly, enhancing both style and security. Double doors for a grand entrance. If you're looking to make a statement, double doors create an elegant and impressive focal point for larger homes. This classic design instantly conveys luxury and symmetry while offering practical benefits like wider access for furniture or guests. French-style double doors with glass inserts can brighten your entryway and connect indoor and outdoor spaces beautifully. For a more traditional aesthetic, wood-paneled double doors with ornate molding create a sense of sophistication that perfectly suits Smithtown's upscale neighborhoods. Energy-efficient and stylish solutions. A stylish front door isn't just about looks, it's also about performance. Modern doors made from fiberglass or insulated steel combine design flexibility with superior energy efficiency. They prevent drafts, improve insulation, and help reduce your heating and cooling costs year-round. Professional door installers in Smithtown ensure your new door fits perfectly, eliminating gaps that cause air leaks while maintaining the seamless, polished appearance that enhances your curb appeal. Complement your home's architecture. When choosing a new door, consider your home's architectural style. A farmhouse door with a crossbutt design might suit a rustic or traditional property, while a flush panel door with minimalist lines works best for modern homes. Matching the door style to your exterior, including trim, siding, and lighting, creates a cohesive, high-end look. Local Smithtown door experts can guide you in selecting a design that enhances your home's character while adding long-term value. Final thoughts: your front door is more than just an entrance, it's your home's signature feature. With professional door installation, you can combine beauty, durability, and functionality in one transformative upgrade. Whether you prefer the timeless charm of wood, the sleek modernity of glass, or the energy-saving efficiency of fiberglass, your new door can redefine your home's presence in the neighborhood. In Smithtown, where curb appeal and community pride go hand in hand, investing in a stylish, professionally installed door is the perfect way to welcome guests and turn your house into a standout home.